up, Velo Factory, and I'll come to you and talk to you about some arm and shoulder activation drills that we use. You can use this to supplement your things that you do with your J-bands or your wrist weights, or if you don't have that equipment right now, that's fine. You can do some of these things that we're going to go through right here, okay? You can do this before you throw and after you throw as a recovery tool. Just remember, our arm care plan is, we don't throw to get loose, okay? We want to make sure we're getting loose, we're getting warm, and then we go throw, okay? Then we come back and do our recovery. So if you don't have J-bands, you don't have wrist weights, do these shoulder activation exercises and drills. When you start getting those, that other equipment, you can supplement those in with what you're doing right here, okay? A couple of these drills and movements you're probably very familiar with, but I want to go through all of them right here in this one video. You can start out doing one set of 7 or 8 if you need to. Then once you do everything, if you feel like you need to go back through again, you can do that. But just start out with one set of 7. See where you're at. Then if you need to get back through, you can do that. Okay. Some you're very familiar with. Some you may not have ever done before, and that's fine. Okay. You can always start with forward arm circles. Start out with smaller circles, and then work your way larger. And then you're going to do the same thing with reverse arm circles, okay? So start small and then work your way larger as needed. Again, you can do 7 or 8 or around 10 total circles right there, okay? So from there, like I said, you'll want to do one set of 7 to start with. You can start right here, okay? See how my shoulders and my elbows are in line. And they stay in line, my arms at 9 degrees. And I just want to go take my palms down and then back up, okay? Down and back up. All right there, you don't want to get too quick, but you can keep a nice easy pace right there, okay? All right, so from there, the next thing you want to do is start with your hands the same way. You just want to close your palms and then open, okay? You can also feel a nice stretch right here in your chest, so you want to close and then just open. You can see what my palms and thumbs do, okay? So that would be the next one I would do. And then from there, you can go where you're just alternating, taking your, take this arm up and stretch, and then come down and go right here. All right, do about seven times with each hand, each arm going up, okay? Those are some really great activation drills. You can also just take your arms and come right, you kind of lean over almost at 45-degree angle, and then be loose with your arms coming down through here, okay? All right, 7 or 8 of those. And then this is very similar to a wrist weight drill that we do. You can also do it without the wrist weight if you don't have it, but take your thumbs, point them down behind your head. All right, thumbs are down, pointed down behind my head, and I'm gonna reach out and just let my arms hang, okay? So I come right here, come out, and then turn your thumbs down, okay? What it's doing, when you throw, your shoulder pronates, okay? You pronate right here. So what we're doing is just activating that by coming here and turning our thumbs in, so we're firing our shoulders up to go through, okay? So just real quick, forward arm circles, all right, reverse arm circles, and you're coming right here, straight up and down, okay? Then you're right here, you're gonna open and close, all right? Then you're coming here, you're alternating arms, coming up and down. And then you're at 45-degree, all right, swinging your arms open. Make sure you get your shoulders good to go. And then last thing, thumbs down behind your head, and you're going to take them out front, thumbs out front, turn them down with pronate. Take care of your shoulders, okay? That's a good shoulder activation or recovery series or circuit that you can do if you don't have any other equipment at home.